Wonderful news. Wonderful news. Anyway, in case you guys haven't noticed from the top, Aniplex and Toonami have both announced that Sword Art Online is coming to Adult Swim. This is awesome news. Simply because Sword Art Online has brought in a huge audience to us fans. And like me and many other people, we have rated Sword Art Online one of the best animes of that particular season it released. And I'm just really excited about this because this anime alone is going to bring in a whole lot of new anime fans. You know, you thought Bleach was going to do this, you thought Naruto was going to do this, you thought all these different other animes that Toonami announced and are put on their particular network or Adult Swim have announced that it's not going to bring in that many people as Sword Art Online will. This anime was a game changer. Everybody that I've talked to within my Facebook group and stuff like that, or people I talked to in other Facebook groups, they talk about Sword Art Online, how it was a game changer, how it changed the rounds of anime, and how it inspired them to venture out and to watch more anime. And this anime alone has the capability to do this, and it will do this. Simply because it's just so original. The concept of you putting on a Game Gear, getting into the game, and fighting, and if you die in the game, you die in real life. It's cool, it's crazy, it's a new concept that is so original, and it's just going to be awesome, guys. It's going to be awesome, and I cannot wait. It's coming out in August. So that's still going to be kind of the summer for some people. For me, I'm going back to school, so I'm still going to be in school. So that's gonna be crazy. But I'm still gonna watch it, check it out, because I'm supporting anime and stuff like that. So this is major news, guys. This is just major news. And for anybody who doesn't think that this anime is gonna bring in fans, needs to definitely go back to the drawing board because this anime alone, even if I had to make a guess, and that's probably far-fetched, but it brought at least over 100 people into anime alone. That's how much Sword Art Online had an impact within the anime community. Everybody who was reviewing was talking about Sword Art Online, who was a reviewer on YouTube, was talking about Sword Art Online. That's how much of an impact it had. The episodes and the pacing were kind of okay in some parts, but overall, I enjoyed the series. And I would love to see a season 2 of the anime, but that's besides the point. I'll talk about that in a later video. But now I just want to give the shine to Adult Swim and Aniplex for coming to this agreement, or this compromise, and just deciding to bring this anime over to Toonami and Adult Swim. Wonderful news, and I can't wait to see what else is going to happen with this. What other animes do you guys want to see being brought to Toonami and Adult Swim? Do you guys want to see other animes like this? Do you want to see other animes from Japan come here, or dubbed, or English dubbed? Just let me know down in the comment section, because I want to know you guys' thoughts on this overall. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to check you guys later in another video. Peace. Sayonara. Take care.